Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create this abstract shader in Blender. You can get the file on Gumroad for $1 through the link in the description, so let's get started. I'm going to use Eevee for this, enable ambient occlusion, bloom and screen space reflections. Now let's hit Shift A and add Suzanne, and press Ctrl 3, shade smooth, go to the modifiers and set the render to 3 as well. Go to shading and let's click on new. As always, I'm going to use this HDRI. You can find a link to that in the description. Go into rendered mode and go to the render properties, go to film and make it transparent. Hit Shift A and add a brick texture. Put that here and plug the color into the color. Add a mask wave texture and plug the height into the scale. Add a Voronoi texture and put it here and duplicate it. Set it to distance to edge and this one as well. Plug the distance into the row height and into the brick width. Now set this one to 5.4. Add a wave texture and put it here. Plug the color into color 1 and let's also add a gradient texture. Put it here and plug the color into color 2. Add a wave texture and plug the color into color 1. Set the distortion to 30. Duplicate one of the Voronoi textures and plug the distance onto the color. Let's set the scale to somewhere around here, 11.9. Plug the color into the normal here and add a bump node. Put that here and let's use the height. Hit Shift A and add a color ramp. Put that here. I'm going to make the black blue like this. And the white I'm going to make red. Click on the plus sign here and let's drag this over here and make it green. I'm going to set the metallic to 0.65. Save if you haven't already. And now let's go back to layout mode. Select Suzanne and press delete on the numpad. Press 1 to go into front view and now press 6 on the numpad twice and 8 once. Hit Shift A and add a camera. Press Ctrl Alt 0 to go into camera view and press G Z to move it on the local Z axis. And now press G and Z and move it down. Hit Shift A and add an empty plane axis. And now go to snapping, face project and press G and Ctrl. And as you can see now the empty is going to snap to the faces. I'm going to put it here and set this back to increment. Go into rendered mode and here select the empty, enable depth of field and set the f-stop to somewhere around 0.5 for example. Save again and press F12 to render the image. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please let me know what to shoot to next and I'll see you next time.